Today I woke up with an existential craving for fried food. As I walked up to my fridge, I realized to my utmost relief that my salvation was only minutes away, for before me lay all the ingredients needed to make tonkatsu, a simple, delicious Japanese dish made from a cutlet of pork. Start off with the titular cutlet of pork. Make a few cuts along the fat cap to make sure it doesn't buckle up while cooking. Cutting it vertically helps maintain its structural integrity. Be careful not to cut into the meat. Nice. Now we're going to sprinkle it with some salt and pepper. Flip and repeat. Now at this point, you would normally pound the meat to tenderize it. However, I decided to try it without doing so, because I feel weird about pounding pork, and I kinda just want to let it be. Let's try that again. Nope. Heat up some vegetable oil in a pan. I'm using a pan because it doesn't make sense to deep fry at home unless you're a restaurant. Storing used oil is also nasty. You'll end up with a slightly darker and less fluffy tonkatsu, but I think the economics are justified. Normally, tonkatsu is served with cabbage, but I wanted something lighter, so I opted for lettuce. Remove the core. A quarter is all we need. If your knife needs sharpening like mine, using a back and forth motion gives you a little bit more control. Slice it up as thinly as you can. I did this part before putting raw pork on it, because you don't want to get salmonella. I could do better, but this is a 10-minute dish. Set up your dredging station with panko, eggwash, and flour. It would appear that I forgot to film the next part, but it's almost the same thing every time. Cover it in flour so it can absorb more eggwash, so it can absorb more panko, and then you'll be rewarded with this fluffy white cutlet. And in goes the pork. Fry it for 3 minutes on each side. During this time I'll be making the sauce, which is just gonna be half Dijon, half Worcestershire sauce with a dash of soy sauce. If you prefer a sweeter sauce, you should replace the Dijon mustard with ketchup. But I hate sweet. And you might be wondering, what is wrong with this human who does not like sweet? To which the answer would be, many things, my friend. The center should just be a tinge of glistening pink. Now, I think you should know that my only regret with this dish is not having tenderized the pork. You should pound the pork. This is what I needed. And this is what I got.
That's really awkward. Can you like not watch?